In the last episode we were looking at exposing Koroit Boulder Opal for the flash and creating a nice exposed surface, and we'll take a look at where we left off. I want to keep the area wet and clean using a finer abrasive, and I'm going to set the speed relatively slow, so around 3,000. And I'm very slowly going to take the tip off of this where the white opal is. So I start to see the flash. The flash is often really just a very thin color band within the opal, so you don't want to go fast or you might cut through it. I'm starting to see it a little bit on the edge here. I'm going to work kind of away from that. So when you buy opal rubs where this has been done for you, you can probably see why they are so much more expensive than the rough. A lot of time goes into exposing this. You never know what's actually going to show up, but I don't know that I'm going to expose flash here. I'm just working towards it. Some white opal there, but I'm not certain that it's going to have flash under it. And I ended up with a small but really nice section of opal with some nice flash in there. And one of the reasons that I prefer not to remove it from the rock right away is I want to see where that goes, if it goes anywhere. Does it end up connecting to this other one that's next to it, or some of this? And if not, do I want to separate that as a single opal? Do I want to combine it with maybe some pattern of the matrix? So I'm going to leave that the way it is for now until I decide how I'm going to work that out. So that is exposing the flash in the opal. And I'll show another example of this when I look at the Spencer opal in a later episode.